He didn't belong here!
That little alien knew more about being human than you ever will. His name was Sonic. This was his home. And he was my friend. He's all yours.
Everyone get back!
Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my
I think you have something that belongs to me.
Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write.
This is my power, and I'm not using it to run away anymore. I'm using it to protect my friends.
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty